Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Greetings everyone, welcome to my live stream. For a great and happy Thursday times. How do you feel today, guys? Thank you so much. 23rd of April, by the way. Aiming towards a new all-time high, trading above 27,000, guys. Living interesting times and possibly very productive. Looking for the best numbers today. Make sure to invite people, share with your friends, all the trading groups, pretty much everywhere. You certainly want to let them know about the streaming, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's just invite people. Any trading group, any person that might be interested, feel free to. We're live and we're doing giveaways as well. As soon as I finish trading, let me pin the link from the chat. You want to sign up for the formula in today's giveaways. This is our Discord, our trading community that you can participate, and you have to be part of if you want to join the giveaways. It's mandatory. Good morning. Thank you, guys. The volume is similar as usually. We're not changing. Nothing's changed for the past months on the volume. I think you want to see it from your side. Make sure to like the video. Let's not forget about it. We must collect minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways on time. It's not going to be an easy situation here, guys. It's not going to be an easy situation. From today's high around the 99, we have been under significant pressure all the way down to 848, today's low. So there is a retouch of the daily opening. We're going to get into the 5-minute perspective for this analysis. 5-minute perspective for this analysis. And obviously continue our trading. First account that we're going to trade will be from YRM platform, continuing their massive promotions, guys. Scramble coupon code for the highest discounts available. Here you have the links. Continuing with this account, which is having 2 days of 1,600. That's what we're going to get started. 2 days of 1,600. It is wild to see Nasdaq on all-time high, considering the oil prices, considering the political side, considering the economical side, inflation, all the numbers around. It's just unbelievable how detached from the reality this markets are. Totally detached. Good morning. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'm watching some of the levels here. Daily, we were sitting on 983. And there is a decent conjunction here. Around the 70s, 80s. I don't know if we get that deep, another 45 points down without at least having a double top or a bouncing somewhere. We might be bouncing from that 27,000 psychological mark. So we have certain levels here that should worth our attention. Yeah. Certain levels that should worth our attention. May I have your attention? That's how the markets are portraying. I'm not going to long it here, even though the 1 minute shows a temporary support. I'm not trusting this for the moment. Yeah, we have been acting quite powerful in any direction. We had momentum, right? So the markets were delivering tens of points before started to reverse today. We were not very tight on a zigzag or barcode. We're having larger extensions on the point side today for the London and Asia. Things might change for the New York session, guys. I haven't seen any red folder today. Here's the form. Here's the form. It's always pinned in the chat, and it's also discoverable in our Discord. You have the form right there. And here's our Discord, guys. You have to be part of our Discord community to join the giveaways. Thank you so much. We're doing between 70 to 80 giveaways per month. Between 70 to 80. And if you have an average of, you know, $150, $130 per account, that's more than $10,000 worth of accounts that are shared every single month. I've done the math, about between $10,000 and $12,000 worth of accounts every single month. From all the firms. Not trusting this level yet. Not trusting it. Yet I'm also not trusting, at this point, shorting, even though we could easily attack this levels, easily, right? And we have this very interesting point. That's a very interesting point. That I would never underestimate. This is a trending line that has been respected with a confirmation having around at this level. Very interesting, guys. So let's not forget about that one. We're going to have it on the chart. We already have a reaction here. Yeah. Yeah, they used to be red folders. I haven't seen anything red folder for today and tomorrow. I haven't seen anything special for today and tomorrow, guys. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Have a good time. And thank you so much for joining. We're trying and doing our best. I need another... I would say I need at least another good day here of 1,600. So we can take this one up to 1,000... to 5,000 profit. My max loss will increase with a 5,000 balance, and we're only going to be 3,000 bucks away from the payment, and I think that's going to be juicy. Trading the YRM conditions, trading the Lucid trading service if we have time and tap on futures. We have some nice accounts for Lucid. Let me show you what happened yesterday for Lucid. You guys know we were printing a ton of money. Look at it charting the P&L. But this is what happened. Monday, Tuesday were not the best. Certainly not the best. But yesterday we printed $26,000, 400 bucks on this account. 26,400. Very, very close to recover what we've lost in Monday and Tuesday, which is around 29,000. Right, so there was 2,600 difference, and that's not a big deal. Having a very strong recovery on the Lucid Flex yesterday. Very, very strong recovery. This is the advantage of having no consistency on your funded stage. You can accelerate and press the pedal when there is a strong winner. You can go with that. Look at that, 26 grand. It was on the stream, so we were closing our trades at a time we were doing the giveaways. It was fully on the stream. Yeah. We have an account that And I'm gonna pull up my Quant Tower right now. We have an account that only needs $600 and we passed the evaluation. It's 150,000 Lucid Flex. Testing out a short here, guys. With a take profit around this level. If the market does the third rejection here and pushes back, it's obvious. That I should not be in a short. Let's see. We had 2 rejections within our previous 2 candles and a lack of continuation to the upside, giving me the signal of lack of confidence coming in from the bulls. I gotta put my break even soon. I just want to see this one crossing the 30s and I gotta go break even, guys. Bring it back. Bring it back. I don't want to see anything near to a ladder. Bring it down below 30s so I can go break even. Yes. I'm gonna show you the indicators. Yeah, we're gonna trail here right above this candle, guys. We're gonna trail right above this one. It is tight, it is 3 points. Yet if it reverses, I don't want to lose anything, yeah. Look at that. We've secured 170. But there is a risk here for a continuation to the upside. There are some inefficient candlesticks here. You know, there is a gap here. A fair value gap. So, I don't know. Look at that. Reshorting this one, guys, with a stop loss above the whole thing. Above this candle. I'm taking my shot here. Reshorting with a stop loss above the previous wick we just made. Are we pushing it back? Huh. What a silly price action. Look at that. Unbelievable. And now it comes down. Right? Oh, that's good to hear, Jonathan. Thank you, guys. Testing out another short here. With a stop loss above the structure again. I'm looking for something like this. At least to this level, at least. That's what I'm looking for. Otherwise, the alternative is this. Haha. Let me get out of my... Oh, can we continue? I haven't sold yet. Yeah, we gotta go stop loss. Break even. Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop loss there. I'm gonna trail. Lovely. We made some money. We made some money. Lovely. We've recovered something, about $700. That's the candle I needed prior of having my stop loss touched twice. Right, so just the candle we had. That's the candle I was looking for. And maybe a little bit deeper. Maybe a little bit deeper. And maybe lack of this buying pressure. Yeah. 5-minute bulls are here. I don't know. I don't know if they can hold around that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Exactly. We teach risk management and all that stuff. So what do I use basically for indicators? Have a look at my trading view right now. We have the EMA, which is running for 200 days EMA purple line. That's the only thing we're looking at. 200 days. The EMA, 200 days, the purple line. And then we have daily opening, weekly opening, monthly opening. And then we have the daily VWAP, the weekly VWAP. 12 months VWAP, which is turned off right now. We have the dynamic swing anchored, which has the following settings. Oh, this is a really important. It is marked with a green line and a red line, and we kind of have reactions on this line. So as soon as the algos are working around that, you're going to get a reaction on the line. And then high-low yesterday, today, last week, and all that stuff, right, with all the following settings. Highs and lows, look at that. Starting from yesterday, today, last week, last month, last year. And then we have basically the London-New York session, highs and lows. We can work around that one too. Look at this one, guys. What kind of price action is this? I'm glad I made money earlier and I got out. Yes, you can always pause the live stream and check out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We must collect 180 likes minimum to do the giveaways. All these indicators are free. Buenos días. Hola, amigo. Hope you're having a good time. About Spain. About Spain cuisine, I had this week paella con bogavantes, which is good. It's good. Testing out a shore here, guys. Testing out a shore here. Marisco con bogavantes. Do something. Do something. Should be looking smooth. You don't want to leave those wicks like that, do we? I mean, this 1 minute candlesticks are not my bread and butter. What about this candle that just opened? IFD seed, with the new candle we just opened. I could have a lovely take profit around this level. That would satisfy me. Thank you so much. Welcome everyone. Welcome and boarded. Bring it on. Ha 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 ha. Lovely profits. Lovely profits. And I'm going to show you the account we need. Around $600 for Lucid. Stop loss break even, guys. This is a lovely candle. Hopefully the next one is going to be red, which will help me to touch my target. If the next one is red, we're going to touch our targets. If the next one is pushing back, going for the liquidity, it's silly. I don't want that. Bring me below 30s and I'm trailing. Bring me below 30s and I'm trailing. Do you hear me? Bring me below 30s and I am trailing. Reach out to me on Discord. What a silly candle. Impressive, look at that. Oh, yes! We touch our target. Look at that, guys. Ha 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 ha. What happened here? Oh my gosh. Oh, we got shot. 1,665, and we were millimeters away. Millimeters away from hitting our break even, guys. Celebration time. That's very important, guys. We got 155 grand. 3,000 is needed for a pound. What just happened? Look at that, guys. What happened? We had another Trump message. You want to check that out, guys. Quickly verify. Quickly verify, guys. What happened? And why is this thing going around like... Ha 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 ha. Boom. Oh my gosh, we were like 2-3 ticks from our break even. This is a very important day, guys. A very important day what you're watching here. Let me show you the account. This is the account and I'm going to show you why is it so important. Here you go. Check that out. We have 3 days of 1,600. Marking it 5 grand profit. I need 3,000 more and we're taking the payout. Payouts are very important to secure them. So what's happening right now with this account? What's my plan? Considering there is just another business day for this week. There's no more business days for this week. I'm going to target tomorrow anything around 500 to 1,000. I don't want to do more. This is an instant funding account. We're trading the instant funded of 150,000 from YRM, which are, by the way, heavily discounted. $450, 6,000 bucks drawdown, 3,000 payout. 8 grand is your target. Yes. Here's the link, scramble coupon code for the highest discount. Discounts on top of discounts you get with the code. So this is where we are, guys. I'm gonna be happy by securing between 500 and 1,000 tomorrow on the 24th, which is gonna put me away of 2,500, 2,000 bucks from the payout with another 4 days needed. I think that's very good. I like it. What happened, guys? Exactly. We were like a few ticks away. I was so close. I was so freaking close to my break even. is great. 50,000 is great. Also, here's the form. That's what you got to fill out for the giveaway. Oh, you got lucky with that. Oh my gosh. I mean, we almost got 100 points. We're dumping from 40s all the way below 60s. You had the exact same entry. So I think you made some money with that. Didn't you? I think you made some nice money with that. Hopefully. I mean, I was also lucky not to be extracted and wiped out by that liquidity before the dump. I was having my break even so close. Like, that's no calculation. Impossible to manage like that on purpose. We're cooking. Yeah, we're cooking the prop firms and we're making them cooked today. Well, that's great. That's great to monetize this. Continuing with the next account, but in the meantime, I like to do something like my Quant Tower, this account here, Lucid Flex. It only needs 600 bucks, guys, and we're passing a Lucid Flex of 150,000. You know, these accounts are terribly valuable because you got no consistency, and once you take off, it's printing. Once you take off, it's printing. I think today we're going to have such days of liquidity, including tomorrow. This is why it's not that easy trading around the all-time high levels. This is why. Look at that. Look at this, guys. I mean, having a such dirty price action after the opening today is unbelievable. And then look at the way we were dumping. Look at that. Ha ha ha. What's that? Ha ha ha. How do you expect me to make money? Not trading Asia. You see the reaction from this, the previous candle happened from that massive conjunction. Daily we were up 200 EMA and the red algo line is there. Massive conjunction. We just snapped the liquidity and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. 262,000 bucks in the account. This is 158. Only need $600. Only need $600. Not needing more. And honestly, I don't know what to trade here. I don't know. Because normally, if the price action would be organic, we have to revisit that wick we just created on the lows, right? We have to go back to 70s, 65. We should be going there if the price action is running naturally. On the other side, we have seen the pattern of continuous algo buying, pushing and pushing, pushing and pushing, exactly to the moment the strong candlestick starts. We have seen that so many times. Oh. Yeah. We have quite a few negative outcomes and news towards the markets, even though the way the whole thing acted in the past 2 months is just insane, guys. It's just insane. So the way the markets are going around, since we have the current United States administration, there is nothing what used to work for decades. All the books, all the knowledge, and everything that was written, that was discovered, and it used to work, is not working since we have this administration in the markets. It's incredible, guys. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much. Great to see you. We've made money today. We have only traded an account. This one. 1,665 bucks. We've made money today. We've hit our target on this account. We've got our 5,000, and we're looking forward accumulating. How? There is a 6 seconds delay created by YouTube. That's the way YouTube is working. 6 seconds delay. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm not trusting, as I said, to short the markets. I'm not trusting. I think the flat hour is going to give us some reliable price action. This is not worth the great asset of an account that's 600 bucks away. Oops, that might be here a good time for a long. Right, with a stop loss right below. That's what I'm trading, guys. Yeah. If this might be here a good time for a long. As soon as I finish saying I don't like the price action, as soon as I finished saying that, I saw something that made me click. Yeah. Yeah, we're offering those alternatives through Lucid. I don't think you can be affiliate with both. And if you're with Tradeify, you know, I had a conversation with Tradeify already. And they're trying to... It's a long story. It's a very long story. I've talked about it on my Discord. If you search it by the keywords. Discussion refers to numerous limitations and control of content, and I disagree with that. We are preaching for different values than limitations and controls, especially when it comes down to someone else's business, right? Retesting the long from here. I still think this is going to ladder up. Now, I'm not touching it, and I'm already talked about it on my Discord. And it's discoverable based on keywords in the search bar. What I said. I think that's a pretty good entry here. Seeking for a continuation, guys. Can you see my... Yep, you can see it. Pretty good entry here. Would it be silly not to have the second candle, the next candle green would be so silly, guys. Come on, just a little more. Next candle, make it green. We got momentum here. 7 points needed. Come on, boy. 6 points, 7 points, do something. Ha ha ha. Oh. As soon as I blink, this can touch my target. Add a little more to this. And I'm gonna be out in 7 points from the current price level. Come on, we have the flat hourly opening. Come on. Few more points. Putting the trailing right there. I'm trailing here. Come on, guys. Selling partially. I'm fully out here. 709. Ha ha ha. 709. I think we passed the account. It's on 115.9144. We passed the account. There you go, guys. We were down 1,000 so here. And we made it. Time to celebrate. Time to celebrate. We just passed another 150,000 Lucid Flex. Look at that. Ha ha ha. Lucid Flex, no consistency in target on the funded stage. Let me show you the account. Let me show you the account. We just passed. There you go. Right, so the target is 159. We've crossed that. This is the performance passing the account in 3 days. Whoo-hoo. Great. I'm gonna take you in about another one right now that's sitting on 4,500. This is not the one, this is not the one, this is this one. 4,700. Thank you guys. Like the video, be subscribed. Thank you. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time with daily giveaways. And perhaps a lovely content, right? Yeah. Exactly. Financial juice updates. Trump and Truth Social. I have ordered Navy. He ordered a Navy to shop any boat putting mines in Hermes. Yeah. Thank you. I don't have currently 5. I want to get back to 5. I currently do not have 5. I'm trying to get back to 5. That's my goal right now, to get back to 5 and slowly build them. We got those accounts that are for a while ready for the payout, and we haven't pushed the button. We're trading those big accounts. I mean, next to those, I want to collect the fresh ones. Yeah. We had 4 basically at the beginning of this week. And we lost 1. Good job. I'm trying to get 5 and then request the payout so I can do 3,000 times 5, 15 grand. That's my goal. We're also going to trade this account, which is 1,560 from YRM. Today is the second day. Yesterday we made that money. And then here, obviously, you see how slowly and slowly we were pushing. The algos are bringing the price action back to their desired levels. That's why the price action at this levels is completely fake. Completely. You can't short this. And you can't long this. You can speculate a couple of points here or there, but the risk for the moment, I think it's, you know, I could short this one with a stop loss being right above. 2 contracts. I mean, they're pushing. Look at that. They're still pushing. I'm out of this. Yeah, 262 loss. You know, this is what happens. They're pushing, guys. This is totally nonsense, this price action. Yeah. Yeah, if they don't find solutions for alternatives, maybe that's what they're seeking. The collapse of some economies. Maybe that's what they're seeking. It's going to be considered as a temporary collapse and a rearrangement of the economical partnerships. Maybe you bring some economies into collapsing and you put them in a position to negotiate differently. You will have some possibilities to take advantage of their situation by doing that. Cooperation will be on a different scale. I think the game is heavy. The game is heavy. And from the outside, we can only speculate. But there's numerous variables and routes of speculation with equally great arguments, feasible perspectives, and equally lack of accuracy or predictability. So when we talk about such subjects and problems and issues without a direct information from the source, including all the informations, including their desires, their intentions for short-term, medium-term, and long-term. If we don't know these things, predictions and understanding of the context is just impossible. Yeah, I made a review video, a tutorial with TradeC, and I'm not using TradeC. I think Quantower and Volumetrica is a better choice. So, when we speak about such context, political, economical, and all that stuff, we need to have complete information of their intentions, short-term, medium-term, and long-term. And we will not know these things in public, right? Their intentions are obviously not shared with the public. Still watching it closely. The real intentions. Same algos are delivering here. We have 20 minutes to go when the market opens. 20 minutes to go. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Wondering if this is changing. I'm longing it here a little bit for scalping. Four minutes all the way around a 32. Not gonna be greedy. We could be near a stronger retracement place. Could be near to that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. We got to collect those likes. We have about 60 minutes from now to achieve minimum 180 likes to do the giveaways in 60 minutes. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Gotta watch out. Hello, welcome. You better watch out. You better watch out. I'm adding here. Next candle might be interesting. This one. We might get something. Something from nothing. Something from nothing. Have DC'd a little more. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Ha ha ha. Unbelievable. Who's tweeting right now? Who's dumping this? Oh, who's tweeting right now? Who's dumping this? Look at that. There you go. This is what we're getting today, guys, in the price section. It's gone. Say goodbye. Ha ha ha. Okay, Lucid Flex is gone today. A Lucid Flex got funded today, and another one is gone. But then you want to see the instant reaction we have from the bulls and all this dumpings. Continuing our journey, guys. Yeah. $26,960s. Might be the current test we did. Might be the complete of it. Yeah. No. I think I gotta wait till Trump is gonna have till he starts his breakfast, because otherwise he's typing. He's typing. Trump is typing. He's not having the breakfast right now, and I am watching 50 points disappearing in a matter of milliseconds. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Welcome, everyone. So that's the language we're talking today, guys. That's how silly the price section is doing it to me. That's kind of the language and the name of the game we're putting together, just for me to know the weapons I need to bring up to make money today. Looks like I need different weapons to make money today. I need different weapons today. The first weapon I need today is going to be to undersize from my traditional sizing. Because he is typing. He is typing. Haha. I think we're gonna get this kind of candles for the upside too. This kind of 50, 60 points candles to the upside as well today. Suddenly, out of nowhere, boom, explodes. Testing a little long here. This is another evaluation of 150,000. We have 2,700 inside. And we're aiming towards making another good chunk of money if he is not typing on my longs. That disappeared quickly, guys. That disappeared so quickly. Huh. Yes, best losers win. Come on. Wake up. But a very interesting thing, guys. We were in a long here for YRM too. We were in a long here. 7 minis when that strong candle happened. Do the math. We were not wiped out here. Think about it. We were not wiped out here for YRM, and we were in the 7 minis long. What was the loss we had? So my entry is on 27.016, and we were going down all the way to like 78. So what's the difference between the points of 16 and 78? From 78 to, it's 22 to 27,000, right? And then plus 16, that's like 28 points. 28 points on 7 minis. What was that? 28 points on 7 minis. 7 minis is 140 bucks per point. Times 28. 3,920. We were down 3,920 on that silly candle. Oh, sorry to hear that, guys. Almost passed. But watch out how this is gonna climb. That's the story. It dumps, climbs. It dumps, climbs back. That's the story with the algo. Ho ho ho! We're making money. I need to take profit. I need to take profit. I don't want to make more than that amount. Excuse me, I don't want to make more than 1,700 because of the consistency. We're also making money here. Stop loss break even for my Lucid. Stop loss break even on this side as well. Let's make sure before we become greedy, we are also having defensiveness. Oh, give me another candle here. Please, ladder up. 3 more points. And I'm not gonna call names. You can type whatever. Yes, Volumetrica here with YRM on DX data feed is top notch, guys. Top notch. Do not type anything. We're about to hit a take profit. Please. I don't want him to tap anything. Come on. Just a little more. I don't want to see a double tap here. No. No. We're not needing that. We're not needing that. No double top here. We're not needing it. We should be squeezing. Do not do this. Ha ha ha. Bring it back. Above 30s. Bring it back. Bring it back on the floor. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking bad. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking bad. But watch how the green candle appears at a time. I'm trailing here for this one. I'll take 400 bucks instead of nothing. Yeah, lovely. I'm gonna be out here as well. Let me take that. 389, lovely. There is a risk here for a double top. You see, we have a 5-minute algo getting triggered soon. 5-minute algo is getting triggered in 20 seconds. Come on. Thank you, guys. That's an interesting one. You can reach out to me on Discord with the indicator. Private message. Make sure you're part of our Discord community, guys. I'm testing along here. I'm just testing, not doing more than that. Look at that. This is what we got. This is where we are. We're not leaving this liquidity untouched. You know, the yellow box is the yellow box. You know the story behind it. We're not leaving that liquidity untouched. Right? So we can do whatever. We can do this. We can come back here. We can come back to the trending line. But we're not leaving that liquidity untouched. So if you're trading to have enough drawdown to that trending line for the exit of the yellow box, you're in an interesting situation. Might have to get out of this. I don't like it. So I did expect a such continuation here of a snake pattern, right? Something like that. Maybe not as deep. Maybe not as deep as we're looking like. Maybe not as deep. I've DC'd here a little bit. I've DC'd here a little bit. We're about to touch that algo, and that could give us some rejection. Otherwise, I have to be out of this. Chicken out and relax. Chicken out and relax. Yes, I got my old chart. I'm watching multiple charts. I don't like this. The 5-minute algo is pressing me. Lovely. Ha ha ha. What a reaction, a totally unexpected reaction from there. So powerful. Take profit? Well, guess what? I might have to downsize. We're getting close to the opening. I might have to downsize. We got some lovely longs on our Lucid, guys. Lovely longs here. Lucid Quantower, thousands of dollars. Ha ha ha. And this is looking great as well. I am selling partially. I am selling partially. I'm fully out. 1,740. We made enough, guys. Enough profit. Enough profit. We've hit the target there. 1,600 is the target. I'm going to lose a little bit, but that's a great approach. Boom. I told you about the snake pattern. Told you earlier. I need a freaking snake, and I got the snake pattern. So... might have to go break even with this trades. Market opens in Few more seconds. I'm going break even for... Yeah, I'm out from this one. That's fine. We touched the break even, I think. What's happening with the Quant Tower? Look at that. Oh my god, what a lag. Why is it so much minus? Look at a slippage, guys. I had a break even and we have 2,000 loss. 2,000, 2,700. Look at that, guys. Haha. So we had a break even, and instead of having break even touch, we have 2,000 loss. Can you believe that? Because I don't. Oh my gosh. Buffer. Oh my gosh. No buffer on YRM. Yeah, we have relonged it, guys. Are you watching it? We have relonged it. Ho ho ho! That's juicy. Come on, rip it. Rip it back. Rip it back from here. Don't you dare coming back. We got to break through the upside. That's so silly. Oh my god. I don't want to see this anymore, guys. This is so freaking bad. Look at that candle. Unbelievable. Oh, the Discord link is here, guys. Rip it. Rip it, guys. Come on. Yeah. We're stop loss break even, guys. We got another account, 4,500. We got another account to 4,000 and evaluation is back to 157. Still need a little more the next days. I got a link into my specifics. I have no idea. I'm not an IT guy at all. I don't know. I'm not familiar with them. I'm more into finance. Have no idea about this computer stuff. I have no idea. I just gave someone a budget and I told them to build me something. It's custom. They built it for me. I told them what I need and for what kind of reasons and the way it's working. And I have no idea what they put inside. Yeah. It's very fast, yes. Very, very fast. It can load up anything. I can do streaming and editing at the same time. Right, so I can have a video editor processing my file while I stream. And for those of you that know, video editing is consuming a lot of resources. And on top of that, we have a lot of the tabs. We have a lot of the browsers. We have a lot of the things running in the background. Very fast. I'm gonna put a break even, guys, for this one. I'm gonna put the break even there. Come on. Lovely. Hit my target. Hit my target, please. Hit it. No way. No way you do dirty like that to me. That's a single tick, guys. That's a single freaking tick. And I haven't pushed the flatten. I'm out. No, that was a single tick. We were on 26.25. Watch out. 26.25. Let's make some money here. No, I'm going to leave this one open, guys. I'm going to have a break right now. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. We have $9,000 profit. This is going to move higher. I am back in 2 minutes. This is going to move higher, fellas. Watch out. The moment I am back, we have to sit on 5 digits. Do not press the red buttons. We have the break-even set up. Look at that. It's already doing it to me. I'm back in 2 minutes. Be careful what you're doing, guys. I told you I need 5 digits for the moment I am back. 5 digits. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's make some money today as well. Yesterday we made 26,000 on this account. Oh. I have to trail. I have to trail, right? Ooh. I'm gonna trail right below this current candle for the entire position, and watch out. Right below the current wick. Right below the current wick. That's where I'm trailing. Very tight, very tight. So I need a strong move right now. Trailing right below the current wick with my total position. Keep going. Ha 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 ha. Keep going. We touched the yellow box. What have I told you? What have I told you guys? Look at that. What have I told you? Be honest. Be honest and tell me, what have I told you with the yellow box? Ha ha ha. Let me get out of 5 contracts here. Let me do that. I'm selling 5 contracts. And I'm trailing for the rest. And I'm selling 5 contracts here too. And I'm trailing the rest. Incredible. Incredible performance. Unbelievable. 272,000. Yeah, 272,000 in the account. Haha. There you go. We've exit here on the yellow box. Thank you so much, guys. I think the entry is good, right? Look at that. The entry is good. And it's not baby money. It's 10 minis. 10 minis. Don't mess with the yellow box. It has been touched. Where is it? Look at that. It has been touched. Very likely this is going higher. Very likely. Ha ha ha. Look at that, guys. We're printing. There you go. I told you, if you got room and space, just do whatever you gotta do for the sizing. But that yellow box is gonna be touched. We have 3 out of 3 or 4 out of 4 yellow boxes touched on live stream. We're not having the yellow box daily. No. Yellow box appears maybe once or twice a week with 100% accuracy. Haha. You cannot move this to live. You cannot. Yeah. We're cooking very hard. Move, move. I am not scared here. I'm not scared, guys. I am letting this to move. Ha ha ha. Remember, we were down so hard on the slippage? 3,000, 3,500 on this accounts today. I had my break-even stop and they wiped me out on 3,000 loss. Oh. We gotta see some more. We gotta see some more. I mean, the box is here. I'm not gonna take it away. I'll still leaving it there, but daily opening 75. Today's high 100s. I fear after we've grabbed so much liquidity on the triple wicks we built here, I fear this is having jet fuel to rush through 136. Which is why I'm not exiting, guys. I am not exiting. I'm looking for the jet fuel. The indicator for the yellow box is the following. On TradingView, you go right here on the left side. Geometric shapes. You click on that, you select rectangle. Ha 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 ha. And then you click and you put it wherever you want. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. In whatever form you want. If you want to be 100% sure, you gotta do this. To be touched, you gotta do this. It's the only thing you have to do. And then it's gonna be touched for sure. Right? So that's the secret with a yellow box indicator, guys. Ha ha ha. There you go. Oh. Or just go to the settings here on TradingView. Settings. And you say, where's the background? Here, canvas. You want to go canvas. And you want to go background. And you want to select that color. You want to make it yellow. So that your whole trading view is yellow. Like a box. Ha ha ha. And then it's all profits, right? Ha ha ha. There you go. Chase everyone. The trade is still open. They wanted to catch me with that wick. They wanted to catch me. They wanted to catch me. And I escaped. Ha ha. I escaped, guys. Look at that. They wanted to catch me with my trailings, and I've escaped. Gotta sit back, have my green tea. I've escaped. $20. I'm moving it again. Good insight from Fred. Fred is giving me a good insight. I'm moving a little bit higher. Guess where? At the starting point of the current green candle. I'm moving this one as well at the starting point at the current green candle. I'm trading higher. You guys, I'm speaking like that because I don't want the market makers to hear me. They don't have to hear me, guys. We're trading at the daily opening, so we might get a flush. But I'm trailing and I'm relaxed. Ha ha ha. Oh my gosh. Exactly, Fred. I'm trailing. Watch out. Watch out, we're no longer 10 minis, we're just 5 minis, and we have 10 grand on 5 freaking minis. We don't even know where's my entry located. It's not even appearing on my screen. Look at that, guys. I have to do this for you guys to see my entry. Otherwise, you're not seeing my entry. We have 100 points. We got in on 990s. We have 100 points. Unbelievable. 100 points. Yeah. It's 100 points. It's more than 100 points, guys. How we're printing. Look at that. I told you. I am going for the all-time high. Selling something. 3 contracts. I sold 3 contracts. And I'm going to leave my trailing at the same spot. So I'm selling 3 contracts from here as well. We have 2 more. We have 2 more. 14 grand profit. There you go. Oh, we have great solutions on Lucid+YRM+TOF-DayTrading top 1 futures. I just can't trade all the firms that exist. We have handpicked great solutions. Lucid is incredible. Lucid. Do something here, guys. Do something. I mean, we sold 3 contracts at the 94, 95 with 2 minis left. I'm fine with that, guys. I'm fine. That's a big W. Let's see what's the timing out here. Good job, Smith. Good job, everyone. An evening star. They can do whatever stars they want. We're still printing. We got our own stars. And we have boxes. They got stars, we do boxes. End of the story. Bottom line. Yes, Tiago, we have to do 250 a day. 250. 150 a day is for the 50k account. For the 150k account is 250 a day. Yes, every cycle, every 5 days, I can sit back making only 250 and that's it. I can also accept... What happened, guys? There you go. They knocked me out with another candle like that. But at least we had trailing. We only had 2 minis. And that's it. Look at that. We gotta celebrate. 12,530 on this one. And then on the other one, 13,510. This is 269. This is 275. Celebration time. It's on fire. Problems getting terrified. Scrambo's on fire. Ah. Unbelievable. We made a high, and they came back for my trailing. Haha. What's happening here? Yes. Good money has been made on this side as well. 1,740 for this account, second day. But a very important trade has been selected out here. 1,665. This is the third day of 1,600. We have 155 here. Look at that. So we have 5 grand profit here. 3,000 more will be needed in the next 5 days of trading. 3,000 in the next 5 days. And I'm taking payout of 3,000. So we need, basically, what do we need? Yeah, we need 180 likes. So we have 15 minutes to go. Attention, everyone. 15 minutes to go to collect minimum 180 likes. 15 minutes to collect minimum 180 likes. Otherwise, no giveaways. It's up to you. You decide. You want giveaways, you press the button. You don't want giveaways, you don't press the buttons. As simple as like that. Hahaha. Exactly. Great news for her. She already spent the money we made today, so sure, I think they spent the money I'm supposed to do tomorrow. Oh my gosh. And if it's just today and tomorrow, it's good. If we include more days, it's already a different. I gotta be happy it's just today and tomorrow. Gotta be humble. I have to be humble. Good day, guys, good day. Look at that daily opening, snitching through. He's not really capable of doing that much. But watch out, there's too many people shorting the daily opening and getting knocked out. We are ready for the rumble. We're ready for the rumble. We printed a lot today. We printed. You don't want to miss out our Discord. You don't want to miss out Scramble coupon code highest discounts, but that's not the big deal. The big deal is that when you use the code, there is a cloud of luckiness floating around your trading desk, right? I'm not giving anything back, not trading anymore today. No, we made too much money to give something back. There's nothing open, guys. There's nothing open here. We're not trading anything else today, even though we have a lot of this. We have a lot of accounts. When it's already extremely good, guys, it's not worth to mess up anything by losing even $1. No. Yeah, so you can share the link here. Bull, 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 bear, bear, bear. Could be interesting. Probably you have to master that. Yeah. Probably you have to master it. But I think if it's not private, you can share the link of the indicator. Never tried to trade Asia. Never tried. I'm gonna show you what happened with that. Something that's not good happened with that account. In one of the days when the administration of US Trump was writing and typing. When he was typing and writing, something that's not good happened with that account. That was a Lucid Pro and it was having a daily loss limit. I think it's very interesting. So out of the 3 ones that are huge, 2 are remaining. That's a big pressure, guys, here. Big pressure. So you can share. Yes. I think Asia is great. I think it's great. Fits much better. For the majority of people, slower markets should be an option. Should be an option. Slower markets. So we have an all-time high of this balance, 275. We have an all-time high of the balance. This is the account. $125,000 profit, 26 trading days. The max loss is here, the current balance is there. Ha ha ha. Well, this is what happened. We had a double bottom here. And then we reacted. A retest of the double bottom. Ha ha ha. And another strong reaction, right? So the highest here was 274. Look at that. 274 was the all-time high there. In this case scenario, we had 272. And then we had 236. From 272, we went to 236. And from 236 to 275, 031. Look at that. So how we finished this week. When you start off with $29,000 in loss, how do you finish the week? Or how's Scramble finishing the week? Ha ha ha. Oh. You start off with $29,000 loss. How do you finish the week? We have 38, 39. 39 grand. Lost 29, made 39. Lucid Flex. Oh my gosh, what a strong retracement, guys. What happened here? Look at that. Ho ho ho. That's so aggressive. All the way back to the daily VWAP. Yeah. How low this is gonna fly. We're doing the giveaways. 5 minutes and we do the giveaways. 5 minutes and we do the giveaways, guys. Thank you so much. We did not open anything. I don't think I can open anything else here. You can share the indicator Space Jam. Right, so this is the way you can share the indicator. Let me show you. This way. You want to go with your cursor on top of the indicator, and then there's 3 dots at the end of it. It says more. You want to click on that more, and then you have about this script. You want to click on about a script. The indicator page shows up, and you take the link from the browser and you copy paste it for our Discord. No trades. Even though this could be interesting for long here. Haha. What a dirty play they managed to do. Oh. That's pretty bad, Badger. It's just why. Look at that reaction. It's the 4th time we're doing that. Oh my god. I'm glad that I've done my targets and I don't have to touch anything. Even though this could be something to test out. Yeah. I've been talking about the conjunction existing here. Alright guys, let's get ready. We need the wheel. We need the ducks, and then we need the formula. I'm out of Quant Tower. No more Quant Tower on my screens. It's over. Zero temptation to touch it. They could create a super for the all time. They could create. So no matter how good is your entry here around the wicks, no matter how good, it has been revisited, which is a lesson to take profits and trail. It's a lesson to take profit and trail. It's a lesson. Take partial profits, trail with the rest. Take partial profits, you want to trail with the rest. That's how we made all that money in those Lucid accounts. That's how we're planning to do a similar job in the next funded accounts that we're going to have. So first account, 50,000 Lucid, bro. Yeah, we're going to start off with Lucid. First account, first giveaway, 50,000 Lucid Pro. We're going to start off with Lucid. Now, the question is, how do you join? You have to complete a form. On Formalo, you have to complete that form. Once you're done, you have to like the video. Then you have to be subscribed to our YouTube channel with a notification bell turned on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. You'd like to receive a notification when we start off. And the third thing is to be part of our Discord community. The link is in the chat. We're gonna have a duck race and a possible sack race. We haven't done that for a while. Rules are simple. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. We're gonna find it out, and simply, you will not receive the giveaway. A single number per person. It's gonna be simple, between 0 and 5. You can guess the number. You can start off right now. Yes, you have to fill up the form every day. You can start it right now. Start, guys. Let me know your best choice. Between 0 and 5, the numbers are simple and straightforward. You got to fill up the form daily. Oops. Sorry for that. Phone fell off. Because of the pedal. An amazing day. Along with yesterday. Amazing. So happy about the Lucid ones and very happy about the YRM accounts we have there, big boy ones. Having 5 grand there, being just, you know, 3,000 bucks shy of the path is just a great feeling. 50,000 Lucid Pro for the first giveaway. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. And here we are. Best of luck, everyone. It's not going to be 2, 0, 1. Very likely number 3, guys. Very likely. Do you have that one? Do you have number 3? That's the very likely. Congratulations for the winners. Number 3 for the winners. Congratulations. Good job. About 41, 43. Yeah, 43 winners. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. 50,000 Lucid Pro for the first giveaway. He's gonna take Alien. Alien, what? There you go. Congratulations, Alien. Look at that. Congratulations. 50,000 Lucid Pro. Did you fill out the form? Alien. Alien is here. Congratulations, Alien. Good job. 50,000 Lucid Pro goes out to your pockets. Well, well. We had some of the guys here. Badger finished in front of me. Oh. We gotta turn on the pedal, guys. This is not acceptable. What on earth? You never do that. Alright, fellas, so the next giveaway is going to be a 25,000 bucks instant funded Ignite account from the Tap On Futures. We're going to have an Ignite, 25,000 Ignite Tap On Futures instant funded. 25,000 Ignite account instant funded from Tap On Futures. Watch out for the numbers. We're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So between 0 and 7, guess the number. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Let me know your best choice. It is an account, Ignite. It is an account that teaches you things you should avoid in trading. Unbelievable. What a day we had. Making a ton on top of yesterday. A single guess per person. Do not spam. Do not guess different numbers. You're going to get locked out and you're going to get timed out. Be careful. We're not playing games. We're not lying. We're not possible to be underestimated unless we want. You're going to have a little time out there. Yeah. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. That's it. $25,000 Ignite account. And I'll have a bonus time, guys. Plus, elite access from Tap On Futures. Plus 25,000. 25,000 elite access plus. Right, this is bonus. On top of the 25,000 instant funded Ignite account. This is bonus. We have a bonus round. It's not going to be the bonus. I think it's going to be the very next number 3. Oh. Is that going to be the bonus? No way. Oh my god. How did you make that, guys? From all the entries. From all the entries, you hit in the bonus. How many entries of eliminating the bonus should I put? That's crazy. We have the plus 25,000 elite access account as well. This is rigged. So we only had a single entry for the bonus and that's what it hits. The question is how many entries we should have for minus losing the bonus. That's the question. I see someone saying 5. I guess that's the response. Look at that. The Punisher said 5. That's great. So we're going to have 5. If you lose the bonus, I'm going to give you his IP so you can reach out. Ha ha ha. 5 situations. No, someone said 5. I'll give you his IP address so you can track him down if you're losing his bonus. But I don't think you're going to lose the bonus, guys. No, you're not going to lose it. Because the pedal is not working. That's going to go number 1. Green number 1, guys. Green number 1. Keep saying green number 1. Green number 1. Oh. Look at that. Flying NQ Bull is contesting. Oh my gosh. What should we do, Flying NQ Bull? If this is a joke, then of course participation is certainly not mandatory. You see how I gave you the number 1 instead of taking the bonus away? Look at that, guys. Lovely. Lovely. Let's see for the winners. Oh, there is not many. There is not many. 23. The first rank will receive the Ignite account. And the second ranked will receive the bonus account. Come on, guys. The first ranked will receive the Ignite instant funded. The second ranked the bonus. 12 is receiving the instant funded, and Ken Nils the bonus account. Congratulations that you filled up the form. Gabby, yes. And then Ken Nils, did you? Yes. Congratulations. You guys are both confirmed. Scrambo is here, Badger. Look at that. Number 6. Badger 17. That's a big lesson. Congratulations, guys. You got to reach out for the grand prize in Discord. Direct message me. Time to see for the third giveaway. 50,000 YRM for the third giveaway. 50,000 YRM for the third giveaway. I'm going to give you a nice choice for the third giveaway. 50k YRM. 50,000. We're only going to have 2 different numbers. And we're going to do sack race. Sack race and 2 different numbers. Plus there will be bonus. The bonus will only have a single entry. And if you hit it, numerous entries of removing it. If you don't like it, do not participate. I'll tell you now all the rules. Alright. Oh, that's the number between 0 and 7. 0 and 7, let's go. You can start right now. Come on, guys. 0 and 7, that's it. 0 and 7, come on. Let's go. 0 and 7. You can't complain about a format. We don't have license to do different formats. This is how we have license, guys. This is the format of the episode. Oh. 0 and 7. It's simple and straightforward. And we're gonna have a sack race. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. You want to see stop right there. Beautiful. So we'll have a single bonus plus 1 more 50k YRM. Shuffle, and we're good to go. And if the bonus is touched, oh, you guys are gonna get to the bonus. Oh, why are you doing this, guys? Why is it so rigged today, touching bonuses back and forth? Look at that, guys. What's wrong with it? I have to switch up my pedal. It's bonus time once again, 2 accounts. If you keep it, which is down to you, by the way. This is down to you. It's rigged. is rigged as hell. Look at that. This is down to you if you keep it. Do not tell me I'm not giving you the chance of keeping it. You have much better chances here at keeping the accounts than making money on the markets. As a trader, we're gonna have a minus here instead of this, and a few more entries. Stop me. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. I just want to make sure you guys get angry. I just want to make sure you guys get angry on that. But do not tell me I didn't give you chances. Are you guys gonna get angry here? You might lose the bonus. You might lose the bonus. You might lose the bonus. There you go. Oh, that was close, close, close. We lost the bonus at this time. No worries. No worries. No worries. We lost the bonus. We got the minus there. No worries. We're going to take these numbers out. I did give you the chance. Oh, here we are, guys. Let's just do it. It's not going to be a duck race. It's going to be a sack race. No worries. That's going to hit for the number 7. Number 7. I no longer relied on the pedal. I put the odds on my side. The pedal was not working today. No longer relied on it. Just put the odds on my side. Number 7. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just go for the sack race. Can we? Can we go for the sack race? I believe so. How many players do we have here? Are we more than 100? 111. Neo Morello is the first. 113 with Badger and Scramble. So let's do the following thing. You guys will compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds. A minute and 30 seconds. And audio is going to be low like this. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. Let me tell you the rules. The first, the third, and the last will qualify second round. First, third, and the last. First, third, and the last will qualify second round. I think that's great. Look at that. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Who's leading? We can't see their names. First, third, and the last. It's the worst time to be the second ranked. Worst time. Unless the first didn't fill the form, you're not going to qualify. That's your only chance. Ha ha ha. We got more than 100, but watch out for the last 3 seconds. Someone is going to speed up. Who's leading right now? Trader King? JC Rodri? Raphael winning, guys. But who's the second? Who's the second? I gotta click on this cup. There you go. Tudini. We don't care about the second. We care about the third. Genius. Raphael, Genius is the third. First, third, and the last. Congratulations, fellas. Who's the last? Ahmed Del Shami. Ahmed Del Shami is the last, with Marvin right there next to it. Maddie, you're pretty close to that, 107. But let's just take their names. Raphael, that you filled up the form. Raphael Income. Yes. Congratulations. Genius. Are you onboarded? Yes, Genius. And then Delshami. Raphael, Genius, and Delshami. Delshami is here as well. Congratulations, guys. Delshami is here as well. Congratulations. So let's just have another round. Raphael, Genius, and Delshami. Uh, 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Tell me who's gonna win, guys. Tell me your best approach to this one. Who's gonna get stopped out and who's gonna be break even? Someone is gonna speed up last 3 seconds. Delshami. Delshami is probably the winner. Okay. There you go. Haha. Congratulations. Congratulations. There you go. Congratulations for the winner. $50,000 YRM account. Ready to buckle up. Good day, guys. Good day. What's happening on the Nasdaq? Oh, it's not looking that bad. Yellow box has been hit. We can chill out. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you once again. We had a very good day in trading. A very good day with our community here. A great time. Looking forward to it. Thank you once again. Wish you a blissful day, a peaceful day, and a productive time. Thank you so much. Good evening for some of you. Looking forward to it tomorrow. We keep in touch. And of course, we continue, guys. Have a lovely